So, Assalamualaikum everyone. So, thank you for attending today Manufacturing Maintenance Committee meeting. So, I would like to call this meeting to order. So, shall we begin?
Yes.
Okay, before that, can we introduce ourselves?
Yes.
So, let me start first. My name is Muhammad Ashraf Aiman bin Jalil. My role is CEO of Manufacturing Maintenance Committee.
My name is Nurul Gamintu Roslan. I am secretary of Manufacturing Maintenance Committee.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Syariati bin Saleh and my role is as a manager for the Manufacturing Maintenance Committee.
And my name is Nabazli Hamdani bin Azwar. I as a supervisor Manufacturing Maintenance Committee.
Okay, thank you for that. So, let us proceed to item 1, which is the apologies for essence. So, are there any apologies?
Yes, Mr. Ashraf. Mr. Daniel, our maintenance supervisor, is unable to attend today due to urgent off-site equipment inspection.
Okay, thank you for that. Any others?
No.
Okay, so thank you. I will note about the Mr. Daniel. So, let's move for the second one, which is the minutes that we distribute earlier. So, are there any correction?
Yes, Mr. Ashraf. The deadline for the spare part inventory review should be changed from 20 June 2026 to 25 June 2026.
Noted, the correction will be made.
Okay, so any other amendments?
No further amendment for me.
Okay, so can someone propose that the minutes will be accepted as the true record?
I propose that the minutes be accepted.
I second the proposal.
Okay, thank you for that. So the minutes are approved as the true recorded. Okay. So Ms. Huda, can you please provide any update about the critical spare parts inventory review?
Yes, of course. The review is 100% complete. Procurement requests for crucial stock are officially submitted. Secure delivery of all critical spare components is fully expected and by end of this month.
With the new system actively improve our monitoring, we have issue writing the part daily.
Yes, the new automation algorithm will push immediately purchase signal to procurement teams when the stock counts reach safe threshold, safety threshold. So it eliminating manual delay risk.
Okay, so excellent. So please ensure the smart inventory figures reach their target live on 30 July 2026. Okay, so let's move for the first issue about our meeting. So which is to mitigate downtime. So Syariati, could you explain the situation regarding our unplanned downtime surge?
So currently our facility is caught in a reactive failure trap. So relying on a costly run to failure, model defers initial spend but leads to catastrophic line stop. So over the past few months, we have experienced a sudden surge in this equipment failure.
Okay, so what are the main cause, the main factor, the contributing to this specific breakdown?
Okay, we have systemic blind spot regarding early sign. So a failure to check early indicators like vibration, acoustics and overheating that allows minor wear to compound into major mechanical failure.
Furthermore, this antenna outage causes several operational shock. So they stress out our tech resource force over time and spike shipping rates for emergency replacement part.
Impact is production hub too. When a line stop unexpectedly, worker remain ideal. Daily throughput drops and it damage customer trust.
So I think we should discuss about the possible solution. So what are our options?
Yes, one immediate solution is hiring additional maintenance technician to improve response time and get a line back up faster during breakdown.
Okay, before that, so let's move to the next slide. Okay, so while that's improved response time, it only address the symptoms, not the root cause. So I propose we transition to a predictive maintenance scheme. Specifically, I propose a predictive IoT program using condition-based analytics.
To be clear, what specific types of sensor are we considering?
Okay, so we will deploy non-invasive magnetic IoT sensors directly onto machinery exterior. So this will track mechanical frequency changes. So it also have an infrared shift that compress air, micro leaks and leaf oil condition to predict the value weeks in advance.
That level of monitoring is impressive. Will the physical installation of this sensor require us to halt the production lines?
Fortunately, no. But the non-invasive sensor can be installed without shutting down lines during installation.
I strongly support this because it allows us to prevent problem rather than react in a panic mode. This creates a much more reliable production environment.
Okay, so I like about the maintenance program. So should we vote on the motion that to implement the predictive IoT program?
Yes.
Okay, so all of you accepted on this program? So the motion is unanimously approved. So let the record show that we have the official decided to implement the predictive IoT program, specifically the active vibration and thermal sensor. So Ati, you will be the person in charge of this initiative with a strict deployment target of 30 September 2026. So let's move for the second issue, the modernizing documentation. So Huda, could you brief us on the documentation yet?
Yes, Mr. Ashraf. Currently, we suffer from average retrieval delay of 2 hours. We have fragmented storage, meaning assets history are scattered across paper, logbooks, unorganized network, folders and spreadsheets.
I agree because I experienced this just last week. I took our maintenance team almost 2 hours to locate and repair history and wiring diagram of a packaging machine.
Yes, I agree. So there is also no version control. So the technician struggle with multiple version of wiring manuals. So frequently resulting in incorrect parts order.
Worst of all is this knowledge loss. Crucial machinery fixed record vanish as a staff senior retire or resign. So forcing teams to solve this identical fault repeatedly.
So for that, what the solution can we consider to streamline this?
I think I propose we address this severely fragment technical spec and logs by installing a centralized digital platform. We will implement a centralized CMMS integration.
Okay, I like about the idea. Can you please explain further how the floor technician will interact with this?
Yes, Mr. Ashraf. So the system will feature a queue-enable access. Technician on the factory floor will scan physically QR tags on the machine casing to instantly pull up your history log. We will also have retain intelligence which keeps repair record and also spec revision and notes securely saved on the cloud server forever.
But can this CMMS platform integrate with the new spare parts inventory system that we are launch this July?
Okay. Yes. Through a live API and connection, complete synchronization, connect the CMMS to the spare part inventory database to adjust stock automatically.
So this is a huge advantage. It completely eliminates manual double entry for our team.
Okay, so that's have a lot of benefit. So should we work about this program?
Yes, I agree.
So all of you agree. So the motion is unanimously approved. So let the record reflect our decision to implement the centralized CMMS integration to centralize our logs via a QR database. So Bazli, you will be the person in charge, and the deployment target is set for 31 October 2026. Okay. Before we end our meeting, any other business that we're gonna talk in this?
Yes, Mr. Ashraf. I have 2 points under any other business. First, I strongly suggest conducting interactive type workshop. We need hands-on operational training for all technicians on the new IoT interface and rugged floor device to guarantee robust user and adoption.
I completely agree, and since we will be installing a new electrical instrumentation on heavy hardware, I think we should conduct simultaneous safety refreshers.
That is a very practical idea. We can conduct practical fire safety demonstration to address that risk. We will utilize the past method to ensure emergency readiness via hands-on trainings using portable fire extinguisher, pull, aim, squeeze and sweep.
Yes, exactly. Working them through the past method during a particular demo will ensure everyone is confident.
Okay, excellent suggestion all around. So let's make sure the staff training for the technical operation and past fire safety happen concurrently. So this will be our official decision. So I will pass to Miss Huda. You will be as the person in charge of for this training. So and we will set deployment target for 15 November 2026. Okay, I think that's all. So I propose that our next session will be held on 15 October 2026 at 10 AM in conference room A. So the agenda will be a system integration performance review. So is that acceptable for everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you for that. The next session will be held on 15 October 2026 at 10 AM in conference room A. So there will be no further business. I declare this strategic meeting adjourned. Thank you.
Thank you.